I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying support. Check that your device and OS allow live wallpapers and that battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Next, open your Photos or the Live Wallpaper app where the clip or animated image resides. Once done, go to the home screen and long press or open System Settings, then Wallpaper. You want to reach the selection screen quickly so you can choose the source and begin applying the live content without unnecessary steps. You now pick the exact media. Tap the live photo, GIF, short video, or built-in animated wallpaper. Make adjustments. Crop to the screen ratio like 16:9, trim start/end times, and choose the loop style, because proper framing prevents odd stretching. Then configure motion and sound settings if available. Some systems mute by default. Make sure to preview on both home and lock screens to confirm the timing and motion feel right before you finish by tapping Apply or Set, then choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both depending on where you want the live effect. Wait a few seconds for the system to render. If the wallpaper doesn't animate, restart the device and reapply. Make sure battery saver or performance modes aren't disabling animations. Turn those off temporarily. If problems persist, convert media to a supported format or use a trusted wallpaper app. That often resolves compatibility hiccups without further hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.